It's going to be a lot easier to shoot our zombie if we can accurately shoot and aim at it. So to do that and help us aim properly, we're going to create a reticule. If we look in our file-based folder, there is a 2D folder, textures, GUI, and then target. And within this, if you drop it down even further, we have about 60 different reticules here. You can actually preview all of these reticules. If I select one in the inspector, there is a little handle area down here that I can drag up. And you can see here that we can filter between these. You're welcome to select whichever reticule you like best. I'm going to go ahead and use, let's say, number 31 here, I think. And let's just keep going through. And you'll see there's actually some blood sprats in here for some reason. Don't worry about those blood sprat ones. Let's go ahead. I'm going to use target 33 actually. So for target 33, that's going to be my reticule. You can use whichever one you want, but it's a really simple process here. Essentially, we need to just display this in the center of the screen so that we know what we're aiming at. If we create a new game object here, we're going to go to UI. So right click in the hierarchy, go to UI, and we're going to select an image. And we're going to rename this to crosshair. When you create a UI element, all of your UI elements in Unity are going to be stored within what's called a canvas component. We don't need to worry too much about that just yet, but right now we have a crosshair image, and if we look here, we're going to set the position to 0, 0. The next thing we need to do is if we look at the crosshair, what component does this game object have? We have a rect transform, which determines the position of the overlay, but then we also have this image component, and it has a source image field which takes a sprite. You just drag in by clicking and holding the target sprite that you want to drag in. And you'll see here that my game instantly updates to using my reticule. If we save our scene, hop into Unity, and now I actually can aim and target this guy, and when I shoot him, we have an accurate hit, we have our blood splat, and he does his hit effect. If I shoot him about 5 times, he should drop dead on us. And there we go. And his collider should still be present, so if we actually shoot him, he's going to behave in all sorts of ways. I'll see you guys in the next video.